Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive Academy by Sydney. I've got this Porsche 997 again, Mark II. Just taking the oil separator out. This is the oil separator. If you look inside there, have a look at the pipe. It was full of oil. What happened is this, they start to fail, and what happened is they pressurize, and the oil, instead of the oil mist coming out, the diaphragm have actually a crack inside there, and the oil start to go from here to here and goes into the intake manifold, and then they leak from the actual seal here on the intake manifold and go under there. So you can see there's full of oil there. That's from that bank there, that's from that bank there, because they leak oil. Because this little oil separator has failed and caused all that problem. Alright? You can't tell, it takes a long time for that to fail completely. That's when you see smoke coming out the exhaust when you start up the car. Alright? For probably like 10 seconds and goes away. Worst case scenario, the smoke from the exhaust just keeps coming out and non-stop. But it's hardly. Most customers get it done before that. But I have seen some. Alright? 22 bolts holding it up. 2 E10 right there. You can take the top here harness off so you can move it around, so you can get to the bottom one there on top. That's what I mean. You don't have to, but it's up to you. I've got to replace that one there. It's damaged, and I've got to just look over the whole car before I put it back in. Yeah, so let me press pause. Okay, this is a brand new one. There's a part number there, so you can see. Alright, let me take it out and install it. Alright, put some installation grease over the O-ring so it's slippery. Now I'm just gonna, only goes in one way, pretty much. That part there, facing this part here. Alright, so just like that. Let me press pause, and you just push it in. Just make sure those two at the bottom are, the green seals are in like that, sort of, and sort of just wiggle it left and right, move the plug out of the way, just wiggle it left and right, see that, green O-rings, just wiggle it like that, and then eventually we'll go down. Let me just pause the camera, just like that, see, like that, and once you put the screws in, it will push it down even more further. Alright. Just put the 2 screws in and torque up to 10 Newton meters, and you're pretty much done. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.